Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to understand what exactly a SQL join is. In simple words, a join is used to combine data from two or more tables. But why do we need this? In real world databases, data is not stored in single table. It is actually divided into multiple tables to keep things organized. For example, you might have one table for employees and another table for departments. Now, if you want to see which employee belongs to which department, you cannot get that information just from one table. So, guys, that's where the joins come. So, join helps us connect these tables using a common column so that we can see related data together. For example, here in this two tables, we have a common column, that is department ID. Now let's write here what we understood about join. The first is, what is join? So join is nothing but it is used to combine data from two or more tables. That is, and next, why do we use joins? So because data is stored in multiple tables. So we need to combine these two tables to get the data. And one more important thing you need to remember is the common column, because this is used to connect the tables. Now let's understand this with a simple example. Assume we have two tables. The first table is employees. In this table, we have three columns, that is employee ID, name and department ID. And we also have another table, that is departments. This table contains department ID and department name. Now, here comes the important part. In the employees table, we have something called department ID. And in the department table also, we have the department ID. So guys, this is the common column that connects both of these two tables. Now suppose I want to see employee name along with department name. Can I get this from a single table? No, because employee name is in employees table, whereas department name is in departments table. So we need to combine both these tables, and that is exactly where we use joins. So using a join, we connect these two tables using a common column, which is department ID, and then we get the combined result. So now instead of two separate tables, we will get one result showing employee name and department name together. Now let's see what happens when we combine these two tables. Since I want employee name and department name, I am creating a result with two columns, that is name and department name. Now let's take the first employee. Employee A has department ID 10. Now I'll go to departments table, and here the department 10 is HR. So I write employee name A has department name HR. Now B department ID is 20, and if I check in this table for 20 it's HR. So I write for B it's IT. Now for employee name C, department ID is 10 and for 10 it's HR. So employee C, his department name is HR. So guys, this is how the result will be obtained when we combine two tables. Now let's quickly look at different types of joins in SQL. There are mainly four types of joins. First one is inner join. Inner join returns only matching records from both the tables. That means only the data that exists in both the tables will be shown. Next is left join, and it returns all records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. And if there is no match, it will show null values. Next is right join, and right join is just the opposite of left join. It returns all the records from the right table and matching records from the left table. And if there is no match, again it shows null. Finally, full outer join. Full join returns all records from both the tables. It includes matching data and also non-matching data from both sides. Guys, don't worry if this feels a bit confusing right now. In the next videos, we will understand each join in detail with examples. Now, we will understand how to use joins in an SQL query. So, let's write the syntax. First, we need to select the required columns. So, I write select columns. Next is from the first table. So, from table 1. Join this with second table. So, join table 2 on the common column. So, I write on table 1 dot common column is equal to table 2 dot common column ending with semicolon. So here the most important part is on condition, because that's where we connect both tables using the common column. So guys, in this video we understood what joins are and why we use them. In the next video we will focus completely on inner join with proper examples. If this helped you, follow for more SQL concepts.